On June 16, 1903, a small group of investors gathered in Detroit. With just $28,000 and one bold idea, they launched the Ford Motor Company. Few could imagine that this moment would change the course of the 20th century. At that time, cities were filled with the sound of hooves, not engines. Cars were luxury items, handcrafted and out of reach for ordinary people. But Henry Ford had a different vision. Ford wasn't new to failure. Two of his previous ventures had collapsed. But this time, he returned not just with a better design, but with a radical idea: make cars for the many, not the few. In 1908, that idea took shape. The Model T was cheap, sturdy, and easy to repair. It became more than a car. It was a symbol of mobility and equality. Still, demand exploded, and hand-built production couldn't keep up. Ford's next breakthrough would change industry forever: the moving assembly line. With this innovation, a car that once took over 12 hours to build could now be assembled in just 90 minutes. Efficiency soared, and so did profits. But Ford didn't stop there. He shocked the business world by doubling worker wages to $5 a day and introducing the 8-hour workday. Why? Because he believed his own workers should be able to buy the cars they built. It was part idealism and part smart business. Henry Ford didn't just mass-produce machines. He built a new way of life. A world that moved faster, worked shorter, and dreamed bigger.